皆さん、こんにちは! Hello guys! I'm thinking about to studying Japanese, but don't know where to start. No worry! Today, I'm gonna share an effective and simple way to help you start to learning Japanese. Yeah! So, you are very happy in Japanese learner because you found me. You're so lucky, ne? Arigato! I'm kidding. Well, let's get started. First, make learning fun and consistent. Yes. So, let's try to find good contents about Japan to get interested of Japanese. Yes, because secret process is enjoying learning. Yes, please enjoy learning. お願いします. Yes, these are the way to learning Japanese. Yeah, come on. First, watch Japanese anime or drama. Like, Oni-chan! Yeah, for example, I recommend that you should watch. Oh, yeah. This anime related to space. Yes, it's kind of heliocentric theory take over. So interested. Please check it out. Also, another one is like, dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. It's so good. You should watch. Yes, please. It's okay if you watch with subtitle. You should just get interested about Japan. That is key to learning Japanese. Well, next one. Listen to J-pop. Yeah. Or Japanese podcast. Yes, if you like Japanese or music, yeah, I highly recommend it to watch J-pop. To listen Japanese. Yes. For example, Utada Hikaru or Andy, highly recommend. You definitely fall in love for this artist. Yeah, check it out. Third one, play game or use apps like Duolingo. Yes, so there's quite many games about Japan. Like for example, Nintendo. Maybe only Nintendo. I'm lying. I don't know where. So, or use apps like Duolingo or Anki. Yes, these two apps is very useful to start to learning Japanese. So it's okay, simple word. You can start to learning some phrases through these apps. Yes, let's try. Fourth one. Join online Japanese lesson. No. Fourth one. Join online Japanese learning communities. Yes. Now, there's quite many community tools like HelloTalk, Facebooks. So, if you have interested, I made a community in Facebook. So please join it and check it out. You can check introduction in this video. Yes, this community is like a learning community about Japanese. So, you can exchange comments. So please join any communities. Even though my community this is not my community, it's fine. You can try to join another community too. お願いします. Alright. Second one. Let's go. Second one. Learning hiragana and katakana. Yeah. There's a three writing system about Japanese. Hiragana, katakana, kanji. Yes. You just try to start from hiragana and katakana. Yes. So, because hiragana is very important. If you continue to learning Japanese, there's a conjugation parts. So if you know hiragana, you can more smoothly to learn conjugation. Well, let's go to learning hiragana. Yes. So you can use some apps when you study hiragana or katakana. Yeah. And also, if you started to learning Japanese, please write every day as much as possible. Yes. All right. Let's go next. Third one. Third one. Finally. Yeah, final tips is learn basic phrase and use them in daily. Yes, once you know reading, let's start speaking. Yeah, so you just only learning basic phrases like こんにちは、ありがとう、すみません。And お兄ちゃん! Yeah, these are very useful phrases in daily. So let's try to use in your life. So if you use these phrases and speak every day, you can speak. It's helpful to be able to speak Japanese naturally. Yeah, don't hesitate to speak Japanese. Yes. Okay, let's try. Well, last one. Let's go. So, to the recap. First, makes learning fun and consistent. Yeah, please keep going to learning Japanese and enjoying. Okay? Second, start with hiragana and katakana. Okay? Third, learn and use phrases in daily. お願いします. Wow. So, if you're this video very useful for your Japanese learning, don't forget subscribe, like, and hit on the bell for more Japanese learning tips. Well, if you have motivation to learn Japanese, I'm offering Japanese coaching programs. Yeah, so you can check these programs in detail. This video link in the description. If you take my programs, you will be able to speak Japanese more naturally and fluently. So please check it out. お願いします. Well, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. 私の動画見てくれてありがとうございます。それでは次の動画でお会いしましょう。またねー。See ya.